In this video, I'm going to show you how to download Proton VPN for free on your PC, 100% legally. Before we start, I highly recommend checking the link in the description to try NordVPN as well. It's faster, more stable, and offers thousands of servers worldwide for gaming, streaming, and browsing at a great price. First, open your browser and go to the Proton VPN website. Once you're on the home page, click on the Get Proton VPN button. After that, you'll be asked to choose a plan. From here, select the Proton Free plan and then click on Get Proton Free. When you click on Get Proton Free, you'll see a pop-up asking if you'd like to upgrade to VPN Plus for €1. Simply skip that by clicking on Continue with Free. Next, you'll be prompted again to select a pricing plan. Scroll down and click on Sign Up for Free, which is located at the bottom right of the page. You'll then be redirected to the Create Your Account page. Here, enter your email address and click on Start Using Proton VPN. After that, you'll land on a thank you page where it says your account is being created. Once that's done, Proton VPN will ask you to set your password. You can either use the automatically generated password or click on Choose My Own Password. I'll select Choose My Own Password, type my desired password, confirm it, and then click on Set New Password. After setting the password, you'll be redirected to the Proton VPN page, where it says Download Proton VPN. Click on the Download button, and it will take you to another page showing all available versions of the Proton VPN app for different devices. Here, click on Download for Windows, and you'll see a drop-down menu with several options, including Windows 11 or 106 4-bit, ARM 64-bit, and a 32-bit version. Since my system is 64-bit, I'll choose the Windows 11 or 10 64-bits version, and the download will begin. Once the download finishes, open the setup file to start the installation. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup process. It's simple and takes only a few minutes. After the installation is complete, open the Proton VPN app. It will ask you to sign in, so log in using the email and password you created earlier. Once you're signed in, you'll see the main Proton VPN interface showing a map, available servers, and connection options. To connect, click on the Connect button. This will automatically connect you to the fastest available server in the free plan regions, such as the United States, Japan, or the Netherlands. Once connected, your IP address will change, and your internet traffic will now be fully encrypted. If you want to switch to a different server, click on the Change Server option and select another available region within the free plan. Just keep in mind there's a short cooldown period, usually around 1.5 minutes before you can reconnect. Proton VPN also includes useful security features like Kill Switch, which blocks internet access if your VPN connection drops, and Net Shield, which helps block ads, malware, and online trackers. You can find and enable these options in the Settings menu to enhance your privacy and protection. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded and set up Proton VPN for free on your PC, 100% legally. It's a solid free VPN option, but if you want faster speeds, more global locations, and stronger protection for gaming and streaming, NordVPN is the best choice overall. Check the link in the description to try NordVPN at a great price and enjoy a faster, safer, and more open internet experience.